All right, guys, here we go. Another one for you. I got this 90 Mustang, and I've had it for a long time, and the car drones like crazy. When I was younger, it was fine. But now, I can't stand it, so I did something about it. Let me show you. It is phenomenal. Look at this. What I did is I cut this in to the tailpipe just after the axle. Okay. I welded it in there. And I got it strapped up here to the post. I don't know if you can see it. I got a hose clamp on it right there by the post. And that's holding this slip joint together for now. I'm gonna get one of them band clamps that go around there. It works fine though. Trust me, works really good. I had a 120 hertz drone when I drove this car, and it would just rattle your head. You had to open a window, turn up the radio, something in order to get it down. Here's the other side. Welded that in there. Side's a little different. Got more room. Don't have the gas door in the way. Comes all the way above up here. Same deal. Strapped it up there. These pipes are about 28 inches long. They said they needed to be 30 when I did the calculation on the Hertz calculator. Roughly there anyway. Trust me, this works phenomenal. If you have that drone like I had, and you put that on there, it's down to like 52, 53. Literally cut it over in half. What I did though is I put the driver's side on first, and I took it for a ride before I did this side. Really wasn't much better. The Hertz was about 120. Then, I don't even know what it was before that. I'm guessing about the same because it didn't sound a whole lot different. But I bought them pipes and I'm like, screw it, I'm just going to put it on and see what happens. So, ended up putting it on. First time I started the car here in the garage, you can tell the difference. That drone is like way less. Incredible. I had my doubts, I'll tell you, after that first ride, but boy, now you take it for a ride, it is a lot better. As you can see, it's really muddy out there right now. It's the dirtiest this car's been in years. Don't be afraid to try this, guys. Oh my God, what a difference.